Okay, so this is a little more difficult because we have to work backwards. So watch, I'm still going to write the formula of the area. Area equals pi r squared. But rather than giving you the radius, I'm giving you the information of the area. So I'm going to plug in 50 here equals pi r squared. I want to find radius by itself. So the objective is to get r all by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of the pi. So what I do on this side, you have to remove it by, since this is a multiplication, it becomes a division. This is all algebra. R squared, so now I get 15.92. And then I'm going to square root it to remove this. So this number here gets square rooted, and I get r equals 3.99, which makes sense, because 3.99 is like 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. And that was what we had. We had a very, very close number to 16. And that's how I would check in my head. Okay, so I'm happy with this. I'm going to do the same thing for this guy, except I'm going to take one step further to get to my diameter. So I'm going to do the same thing I did for this. So I'm going to write A equals pi r squared. I know the area is 150 equals pi r squared. Divide by pi, same thing I did over here, divide by pi to leave me with r squared. Not sure what that is. What's 150 divided by pi? Anybody? Yes.
47.77.
How much?
47.77.
47.77. Square root it. Now I can tell you what that's going to be close to. So if it's 7 times 7, that would be 49. So it's going to be around 6.91. 6.91. So you see how I got that? Because I know 7 times 7 is 49. 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 8 is 64. So I kind of get where it should be. Now, because I got radius, but that's not the question. The question was diameter. I have to take one more step to do what? Times it by 2. So 6.91 times 2 gives me
13.82.
And that's your final answer for the diameter, knowing the area. Let's move to number 3 and 4. Number 3 and 4 are actually easier because you don't have the square root part. So C equals pi d. We're looking for diameter. We're given the circumference, and all I need to do is remove this, and since it's being multiplied, I divide it on this side, and then the diameter is left at 300 divided by pi is 90.
5.54.
Perfect. If you're off by a decimal, will it matter to me? No. As long as you're around 95 and I see the work, I see the steps, you get this right. Now, I would really like the centimeters here, please, in your final answer. Your units. Yes? I will take off a mark. Okay? Because if I say I won't, then you will forget. If I make it important, chances are you won't forget. Let's look at number 4. Same question, same question. You're gonna have to go one step further. You still do C equals pi d. You still put 120 where the circumference is, and then you're going to divide by pi so that you have your diameter. Somebody's gonna help me with 120 divided by 3.14.
38.21.
38.21. This is not finished because the question was radius. What do I do next? Divide by 2, because it's half. Half gives me my radius, which gives me an answer of 19.105. Or 19.1 would be sufficient centimeters. Good?